I've been working with AutoCAD since 2013, and I just know that if I can draw it in AutoCAD, I can pretty much make it.
So I provide drafting services for interior designers. I find AutoCAD to be one of the most favorite tasks that I do.
AutoCAD is one of the most versatile tools. I find it very intuitive and very helpful and very easy to get the job done.
We use AutoCAD for production drawings, the scenic elements, the lighting, the sound, and really help us to understand what we're putting in.
AutoCAD is the most important program. It's like a common language. I just love AutoCAD.
Welcome to the AutoCAD Keynote at Autodesk University 2021. I'm Mimi Huang, Vice President of Cross-Industry Strategy. Like many of you in this changing world, I have adapted by embracing digital. It is a time of great change. Over the past year, we have seen tremendous shifts in digital transformation. Digital collaboration is now a necessity, cloud workflows are the norm, and time savings a must. In today's environment, embracing a partnership with technology to automate and improve workflows is not only good for your business, but also for the quality of your design. It's so important that we free up valuable time and energy to focus on what matters most. Gone are the days of working in the office day after day. Now is the time for Anywhere Workplace, where you can design, draft, review, and present your projects anytime, wherever you are. This past year has pushed us in more ways than one. It's especially pushed us to innovate at an accelerated pace to help our customers achieve better outcomes faster and adapt to and thrive in the new normal with AutoCAD. We're excited about our vision, and we want to share where we're investing to drive value today and in the future. We're focused on key areas: insights and automation, and the power of the platform. AutoCAD will unlock new potential and lead industry innovation by delivering personalized product usage insights and automating your workflows. We've been doing automation for years. You could even say we have automation in our DNA. If you've ever used the AutoCAD array command, creating multiple objects at the same time, or batch plot, then you've already experienced CAD automation. It's core to AutoCAD. While these automations have become integral to drafting workflows, we are investing in the next level automation that truly positions AutoCAD as your technology partner. We want to take CAD one step further by bringing you into the future where AutoCAD can help design and achieve more with less. What could that future look like? Take Trace, for example. Trace is available in AutoCAD 2022 and lets you safely review and add feedback directly to a DWG file without altering the existing drawing. You can mark up a drawing with the AutoCAD web and mobile apps and view the markups in context on your desktop. Trace automates input into the DWG from contributors outside the office in a purely digital workflow. And Count. Count automates the counting of blocks in geometry, boosting efficiency and accuracy. In the words of a customer, Count saves an immense amount of time by eliminating the block counting exercises within the drawing while removing human errors. It's a huge win. Taking it one step further, we are leveraging machine learning to develop connected paper, which will automatically convert PDF markups and even hand-drawn markups to AutoCAD geometry. You heard that correctly. AutoCAD's machine learning capabilities will help you achieve productivity gains by automating drafting workflows. Customers will get machine learning markup. For example, connected paper helps AutoCAD recognize the ref clouds on markups and generate them in a DWG, saving you the time and energy required to draft each one individually. Think of all you can do and create with that time back. You can reduce errors, decrease repetition, and remove complexity with AutoCAD automations. We are bringing customers into the new CAD frontier by providing you with personalized insights based on how you use AutoCAD to help speed up your work and become more proficient. Our new Insight Advisory Engine uses advanced technology to analyze usage patterns and preferences. With the latest serverless technology, data science, and machine learning capabilities, My Insights sifts through millions of data points to suggest new AutoCAD features to use and settings to take advantage of to work more efficiently. It helps guide you while you work, providing valuable information at the right time and in the right context. With tips for optimizing AutoCAD workflows, My Insights cuts down the learning curve, and both new and experienced users can quickly become more proficient and deliver strong project outcomes. Building on My Insights, we are also working toward a world with insight-based drafting. The future work world may be one in which customers receive an insight, and AutoCAD points them in the right direction. By simply clicking Learn More, AutoCAD could show you where to go to start using a highlighted feature. AutoCAD is driving CAD forward, letting you access useful data and giving you guidance with insights to work smarter. In fact, we are developing new features so AutoCAD can suggest valuable macros in the context of your workflows based on your individual usage. Leveraging data, the world where you get in-context command pattern automation is not that far off, which means there is a future where you can draft with fewer keystrokes and mouse clicks, accelerating your design process. AutoCAD automation and insights are critical to unlocking the new possible. They go hand in hand with the value that the Autodesk Platform provides. I'm really excited about where AutoCAD is going and how it will drive better outcomes for customers.
Hi, I'm Rob McGuire, Vice President of the AutoCAD family of products. Not since the days when I first started working at Autodesk as a new developer have I been this excited about the power of the platform. Back then, I was so giddy with excitement when I got my first copy of AutoCAD as an employee, I posted the Object ARX class hierarchy poster on the wall with my mind racing with all of the possibilities that the platform provided. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's really nerdy. Autodesk is now focused on the Forge platform, and AutoCAD has a huge role in making those possibilities a reality. While AutoCAD is enabling automation and insights workflows, we're also investing heavily in connections across Autodesk products, improving interoperability. That means a strong focus on efficiency and data flows, both with AutoCAD and Autodesk. We're excited about the potential that this has. Customers can't concentrate on designing and making a better world if they're wrangling with data and stitching together multiple products. That's where the power of the Autodesk platform comes in. With Forge, we're making strides toward fluent workflow capabilities. Choosing Autodesk means streamlined collaboration, connected, and accessible data. Choosing AutoCAD gives you the strength of Autodesk and improves interoperability across industries and software products. We recognize how important it is to make it easy to work on multiple projects and multiple products. Last year, we announced Push to Autodesk Docs, which lets you publish your drawing sheets as PDFs from AutoCAD directly to Autodesk Docs. Having interoperable tools at your fingertips unleashes a whole new way of working. You get next-level collaboration where you can work in a common data environment, review all your files on one platform in the cloud. Have you ever worked in a Revit model and needed to pull in 2D DWGs? Or been in AutoCAD and wanted the most up-to-date floor plan from a Revit model? The Autodesk platform enables strong data connections. That means no matter whether you're working with AutoCAD, Inventor, or Revit, you can access your files wherever you want. And you can get your data anytime, anywhere across Autodesk. This level of interoperable workflows only works if it's frictionless. We've moved quickly to create smooth workflows across AutoCAD and Autodesk Docs. Now any drawing opened in AutoCAD from Autodesk Docs in an ISO 19650 project stays in ISO 19650 formats. Consistency across the Autodesk ecosystem reduces errors and boosts efficiency. As you will hear throughout AU, there is much more to come with Forge, the Autodesk platform. Like Forge, AutoCAD itself is a robust ecosystem with desktop, web, and mobile applications, specialized tool sets, Autodesk apps, customizations like Lisp and APIs. The power of the platform is in the ability to coordinate technology and enable interconnected workflows. With AutoCAD across desktop, web, and mobile, you can be at your desk drafting on AutoCAD in the morning, you could be on the job site updating it with a mobile device, or when you go home and you forgot about that dimension, you can bust open the browser on your laptop and check it right there. We are embracing what each device does well to bring you new features and functionality to design and document with more precision and efficiency. The strength of AutoCAD also comes from the ability to extend the AutoCAD ecosystem by opening up AutoCAD to partners and third parties. In the same way we have established an AutoCAD ecosystem, we are growing an environment for the AutoCAD web app to enable deeper workflow capabilities. In recent years, we built a strong foundation for the AutoCAD web app with Open With and Connect To integrations with partners. If you're in OneDrive and you want to open a D2G, you can do that with an Open With action inside of OneDrive. If you're inside AutoCAD Web and you want to connect to OneDrive, you can do that as well. With connections to OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, and Google Drive, customers can edit and access their D2G files anywhere, anytime. We've also integrated with Autodesk tools like BIM 360 and Autodesk Drive. You can conveniently open your files with the AutoCAD web app and work efficiently across any platform. Building on this, we want to let customers bring their existing desktop customizations to the web app. Imagine being able to add your company's customizations, including standards and styles and everything you need. We want to empower you to customize your own experience on the AutoCAD web app. The future power comes when third-party developers get access to open APIs and harness the power of the AutoCAD web app. Let's say you're in the schematic design phase and walking the venue of an event space with a client to produce a rough estimate and layout. Perhaps someday in the future, with the potential to embed the AutoCAD web app in the customer-developed application, you could pull up a database of the venue floor plans, browse similar event plans, place objects like event booths and charging stations from drawing libraries, and generate estimates based on known cost of materials of the objects you placed. You could even send a PDF of a marked up floor plan to your team to draft up. The possibilities are endless when we look at expanding the AutoCAD web app ecosystem. AutoCAD is a key part of the Autodesk platform and unites practices, technologies, and experiences. It bridges industries and helps project teams collaborate so you can focus on the projects, not the products you're using. With AutoCAD, you can be more efficient, meet tough deadlines, make time to consider multiple design options, and draft with precision and accuracy. Throughout the next few days, check out the AutoCAD classes and listen to tomorrow's general session to learn more about how AutoCAD is ready to partner with you to design and make a better world. As AutoCAD opens the door to the future of CAD, I hope you are as excited as I am for how automation and insights and the power of the platform unlock the new possible.